Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic of discussion is the multiplication of three matrices of order 3 cross 3. So first a question arises whether multiplication of three matrices whose order is 3 cross 3 is possible or not. So the answer is yes. We can multiply three matrices whose order is 3 cross 3 because matrix multiplication satisfy associative law. So we can easily multiply three matrices of order 3 cross 3. So we have an example. If A is equals to 2 minus 1 0, 1 2 minus 3 1 2 minus 2 and B equals to 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 minus 4 6 0 minus 5 5, then we have to compute A square B. It means we have to write A matrix, again we will write A matrix and then we will write B matrix. So in this way we can have three matrices and we'll see how we can multiply them. So first what we are going to do is we will solve this part, which is A square. A square means A multiplication with A, right? So we will write the matrix A two times. So how we can multiply 3 cross 3 matrices? Multiply the rows with the columns. We have first row, this one, multiply it with the first column. So we have 2 multiplication with 2, then we have a plus sign, minus 1 multiply with 1, plus 0 multiplication with 1. Now we will multiply the same row with the second column. Same row and this one column. So we have 2 minus 1 times. Then we have minus 1 with 2. And then we have 0 multiplication with 2. Then we have the same row and third column, this one. So I am writing here 2 multiplication with 0, minus 1 multiplication with minus 3 and 0 multiplication with minus 2, right? So this is first row. Okay, now we will take the second row, this one, and now we will multiply the second row with the first column, and we have 2 multiply with 1, this 1 multiply with 2 plus 2 multiply with 1 plus minus 3 multiply with 1. Now we will multiply the same row with the second column, and we have 1 multiplication with minus 1 plus 2 multiplication with 2 and minus 3 multiplication with 2. Now we will take the same row and third column. So 1 multiplication with 0 plus 2 multiplication with minus 3 plus minus 3 multiplication with minus 2. Now we will take third row, this one, and now we will multiply it with the first column. So we have 2 multiplication, 1 multiplication with 2 plus 2 multiplication with 1 and minus 2 multiplication with 1. Now taking the same row and second column, we have 2 multiplication with minus 1 plus 2 multiplication with 2 and 2 multiplication with 2. And last we have the same row and third column. So 1 multiply with 0 plus 2 multiplication with minus 3 and minus 2 multiplication with minus 2. Okay, so now we will multiply them. 2 times is 4 plus minus 1 times is minus 1 plus 0 1 times is 0. Then 2 minus 1 times is minus 2 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 0 into 2 is 0. Then this one 2 0 times is 0 plus minus minus plus 1 3 times is 3 plus 0 into minus 2 is 0. Second row 1 2 times is 2 plus 1 2 times is 2 minus 3 1 times 3. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 2 times is 4 minus 3 2 times is 6. Then 1 0 times is 0. 2 minus 3 times is minus 6. Then we have minus minus plus 3 2 times is 6. Then the last row 1 2 times is 2 plus 1 2 times is 2 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 2 times is 4 plus 2 2 times is 4. Last one 1 0 times is 0 minus 2 3 times 6 minus minus is plus and 2 2 times is 4. This is equals to minus 2. Sorry, we have a little mistake here. This is we have the last row and second column. So 1 multiply, this is 1. 1 multiply with minus 1. Then we have 2 multiply with 2 and minus 2 multiply with 2. So here answer will change accordingly. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 2 times is 4 minus 2 2 times is 4. So we have 4 and 4 will be cancelled out and the answer we have is we have to multiply a square dot b. So we will write A square matrix and the matrix B. Okay, so I have told you how to multiply 3 cross 3 matrices. So now we will do this multiplication directly. 3, 2 times is 6, minus 4 minus 1 plus 4 and 3 into 0 is 0. Now the same row and second column 3 minus 2 is 6 minus 4 minus 4 plus 16. 3 minus 5 times is minus 15. Same row third column 3 times is 9 minus 4 6 times is minus 24. 3 5 times is 15. Now the second row and first column 1 2 times is 2 minus 1 minus 3 positive 3. 0 into 0 is 0. Same row second column 1 minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 4. 1 minus 2 is minus 2 minus 3 into minus 4. So this is minus 12, and 0 into minus 5 is 0. Now same row and third column, 1 3 times is 3, minus 3 6 times is minus 18, and 0 5 times is 0. Now third row, first column, 2 2 times is 4, minus 1, positive 1, and minus 2 into 0 is 0. Now 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4 is positive 4, and minus 1 into minus 5 is positive 5. Now same row and last column, this is 6, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 6 plus 16, this is equals to 10. 10 minus 15 is minus 5. So this is 9 minus 24 is equals to minus 15. Minus 15 plus 15, this is equals to 0. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 2, minus 12. 3 4 times is 12. So minus 2 and plus 12, this is equals to 10. 3 minus 18, this is equals to minus 15. 4 plus 1, this is equals to 5. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel out, and answer we have is 10. Sorry, by mistake I wrote it 5. And last we have is 6 minus 6 cancel out, and we have minus 10. So this is the final answer for A square B. So this is how we multiply 3 matrices. Just multiply 2 matrices first and then multiply the final answer with the third one matrix. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. See you in the next video. Take care.